Good morning, everyone! Guess where I am headed to? Epcot. So excited. Let's go! Stop of the day, gonna go check out Nemo and Friends.
Apparently now it's gonna be Dory and Friends. I don't know.
Dory and Friends. Whoever and Friends. I hope Gerald's here.
I love this one.
Please have Gerald.
Gerald.
Moon jellyfish. One of these guys stung me like 2-3 weeks ago. A smaller one, but nonetheless, I don't like them very much.
Poppy. Is that his Poppy?
Yeah.
That's his mouth?
Yep. That's his mouth.
Lots of gypsy.
You know, they never had an eel in Nemo.
What's this?
No, it's Ursula's eels. Creepy little things. Zoom in on you, see if you open your mouth. Oh look! Nathan is trying to become a fish expert.
I am totally a marine biologist in this group.
Marine biology, okay.
Bottlenose dolphins sleep, resting on one side of the brain. Time
On the couch watching baseball.
that's wrong because it would be Netflix.
Yay, you got one.
It's so weird, you rest half your brain.
Funfish hardly ever travel.
You're on a football field from home, for the turkey from their home, business class.
Business class.
Crammed a tiny clownfish car.
Look who I found! It's Baby Dory! I like shells!
With your hands, arms, feet and legs inside your tour tram. Keep a watchful eye on your children and oh yes, please don't let your imagination run wild. Welcome to our special drive-through open house. I'm Dr. Nigel Channing, Chairman of the Imagination Institute.
Come to the Garden Grill. I've never been, so I'm very excited. And Chippendales over there. Pluto just walked behind.
I totally dropped some straight up creds and got us a very limited appointment on the Garden Grill.
Very excited. So Chip just photobombed us. We have many selfies of his nose, and Dale's coming.
Pluto.
Hi. Yeah, hug with Pluto.
Now, you gotta eat the food that comes from under the table. Scraps. Exactly.
Look at this salad.
Oops, that's the wrong bowl.
Look, you unintentionally just made Mickey ears. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Look at all this delicious food. We've got mac and cheese, sweet potato fries, some green beans, turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, and steak. Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
Dance moves than your brother. Is that true?
Yeah? I believe it. I believe it.
Oh,
break them
that's
out. There
pretty
you
good.
go.
There it
One,
is.
two. There it is. Raise the roof. Oh, hey, whoa.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that qualifies. You're the winner.
Yeah, you win.
Nice, nice. Oh, did you show them the parking
Oh, I
pass?
didn't. Look.
Oh, yeah, we got a parking pass for my brother. We got a fast pass to the parking lot. So,
Look at that.
as an anniversary gift.
It's a nice gift.
Which one gave you the anniversary gift, Chip?
Yes.
Yeah, Chip, his brother. But he had a dance show for us, so it's kind of even right now.
That's sweet. We'll do another dance. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Wow.
That's fantastic.
Dance party and parking pass.
All right, well, it's a tie between who's our favorite. Both of you get to be our favorites today.
Dale's pretty good looking.
Oh, well, Ellen's top of the list. I mean,
Thanks, look at that.
Thanks, Dale.
thanks.
Blueberry, strawberry, shortcake.
Oh my goodness. I'm not going to be able to move after this. Oh, that's nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Women, what can you do, right? 5 years already taken. No, she doesn't have a beard. I have a beard.
Inspiration from Queen Elsa.
That's right, she gave me the cold shoulder. Thank you.
I'm about to go on the Frozen ride and I'm super excited. I just got off the Frozen ride, which was amazing. Oh my gosh, amazing. And we met Anna and Elsa, which was fabulous, as
It was
usual.
cool.
Yeah,
Sorry, I had
the
to
ride
do
was
that.
really cool. And now we're in China looking for Mulan.
Get it? China? I mean, not China. I mean, Frozen. Cool. Never mind. Stop.
I didn't get that. That went right over my head, but that was pretty clever.
All right. We're gonna go meet Mulan.
Okay, find Mulan.
Find Mulan.
We didn't find Mulan, but we found Snow White. Spaceship? My pet!
I don't remember what that was.
Lies!
That was solar power.
According to Bill Nye.
Welcome to the future. Or should I say,
It's like half of me. What happened to your head?
TV made from a scripted
Damn.
where eventually forgot.
Hello, where are you?
I am in La City,
La
City.
Le Cellier.
which is French for the cellar. So basically, I'm locked in a cellar.
You can see low lighting, but we are in Canada. I'm sure you can't hear me, but that's cool.
So the Canadian Steakhouse was amazing. Everything was absolutely delicious, top of the line. Couldn't really show you guys too much because it was really dark in there, but it was delicious. We loved it. And we're headed out of Epcot, so that is pretty much the end of our first day here in Orlando. See you guys again real soon. Bye!